Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call voice assistant using your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. So firstly I will show you how to call it by default, and then I will show you how to customize it and add this feature to another gesture. So by default you need to use your right earbud. At the back side, right here at the top, we have the circle. This one is touch area. You need to press and hold at the touch area on your, again, right earbud, but this one is only for default. And as you can see, I just call Google Assistant. If you set up Gemini, you will call Gemini, or maybe you have Samsung, then you will call Bixby. Now, to change it, we need to open EARFUN Audio app. Of course, you need to add your headphones to the application, and then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds. Then we need to scroll down, and you need to find right here in the control, customize controls. Also, if you have colorful background here to disable all controls, you need to tap on time to disable this mode, because with this mode you cannot use your controls. Now let's go here, and we can add it for the left and right earbud. As you can see, it's set by default to voice press and hold. Let's say I want to add. You can add it for the single press, double press, triple press, and press and hold. We have right here voice assistant. So let's say I want to add it for the double press for my left earbud. I just tap at this line and then tap at the voice assistant. Now we set it and we use it. So let's check it. I press 2 times, 1, 2. And as you can see, I also call voice assistant. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!